If you give us about 1,500 of your young engineers and technicians, I promise you together to make Oak Ridge the World Center for Innovation and Manufacturing.
What a day for the city of Oak Ridge and East Tennessee as state leaders announce an advanced materials company is moving its headquarters to our region, bringing hundreds of jobs. And in addition to that, Y-12 breaks ground on what leaders call the biggest and most expensive construction project ever in East Tennessee. Good evening and thank you for watching. I'm John Becker.
And I'm Robin Wilhoit. Certainly a significant day. Hundreds of new jobs and billions of new dollars are headed to East Tennessee. Specifically, the city of Oak Ridge. State and local leaders announced Canada-based metal manufacturer CVRM is moving its headquarters to Oak Ridge. That deal alone nets more than 600 new jobs.
And we're going to turn to 10 News reporter Jeff Monlock, who joins us live in Oak Ridge with more on this deal and its impact. Again, Jeff, it's hard to underline the significance of this day.
I'm standing in front. Yes, I'm standing in front of where CVMR will be. It's moving its hub down from Toronto in Canada, and even the CEO is going to be moving to East Tennessee. They're getting a lot of just everything moving down here to Oak Ridge, where they will be working at the facilities behind me as soon as possibly May. Also, like I mentioned, the CEO is moving down. He wore an orange tie at today's announcement just to try and fit in, but this is great news. It's close to 620 jobs that will be added to the area, a bright thing for the future of Oak Ridge.
We're here today for a very significant and exciting announcement for Roane County, for Oak Ridge, and quite frankly for all of Tennessee.
8 speakers anxiously awaited that moment.
We're here to announce that advanced materials manufacturer CVMR, Chemical Vapor Metal Refining, will establish its global headquarters right here in Roane County, creating 620 jobs.
CVMR is moving into this facility. It's a $313 million investment to move this headquarters to Oak Ridge.
If you give us about 1,500 of your young engineers and technicians, I promise you together to make Oak Ridge the World Center for Innovation and Manufacturing.
The company manufactures different metals for big-name corporations.
For organizations like NASA, Department of Defense, General Dynamic, General Electric, and many other corporations like that.
Location played a big role in this leader's decision to move to East Tennessee.
The university, Oak Ridge National Laboratory, which we have been cooperating with for the last 20 years, are major important factors in this.
A big deal for the state of Tennessee. But this move also speaks volumes about a city the size of Oak Ridge.
It took a lot of hard work from a lot of people, but everybody worked together very well, and I think it is a harbinger of other things to come.
Governor Haslam says that these guys mean business. They already hired one of their first of the 620 people that will be hired coming up, and they already did that yesterday. They also closed on the facility here behind me, making sure that this is one of the 2 facilities that they will have for manufacturing in the area. But like I said, Governor Haslam says these guys mean business. It's a huge thing for Oak Ridge and for the state of Tennessee.